Hi, I'm Tash and you have tuned in to Little Seedlings Sensory. Today I've got some exciting news to share with you, and that is the launch of our first educational workbook. This is an alphabet letter tracing book, a fun first practice workbook for kids ages 3 to 5. But if you think your little one is ready earlier, then go for it. This book is easy to follow, requires minimal supervision so that you can enjoy your hot coffee whilst your little one practices the upper and lower case. This book is available on the different Amazon marketplaces and I've popped the links in the comments below. Please take the time to like and subscribe, it is greatly appreciated. Let's have a quick look at inside the book. Each alphabet letter has a guide on how to perform the upper and lower case. We have a page of dotted lines that your child can use as a guide when they first practice the alphabet letter. The next page has got some blank space so that when your child feels more confident at doing some freehand, they can practice their freehand upper and lower case. We've also got a fun picture on each page for them to colour in as well. They can, at their own pace, make their way through each letter of the alphabet. There you have it, this first educational workbook for Little Seedlings Sensory. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and until next time, goodbye.